You may be wondering if solar power can help you save on your electricity bill. It absolutely can. And for most people, it does. But how much you could save depends on a number of things, including the laws, regulations, and incentives in your state. And that can get complicated. For now, let's go over a few of the factors that apply no matter where you live. Electrical energy is produced by your solar energy system when the sun shines on it. The more sunshine you have each day, the more you produce. The more you produce, the more clean energy you can use to power your home. And that clean energy tends to be more affordable than the stuff you get from the grid. Every home is different, and so is every household. Getting a solar energy system designed custom to your roof, your location, and how much energy you typically consume makes a big difference. You might think the more the merrier when it comes to solar panels, but that's not always the case. To save on your electricity bill, you're looking for not too little, not too much, but just right. Even with a solar energy system, you can't put in a pool, run your AC at full blast 24/7, and keep all the lights on all the time and expect to see lower bills. If you practice the same good energy conservation habits you did before getting solar, then you'll see your clean energy will go much further. So, in conclusion, yes, you could certainly save. It's one of the top reasons people go solar. We hope that was helpful. To learn more, check out some of our other great resources